do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
What do you mean what I want to do? I want to know what you want to do. It could be anything, something that you I want to do. There's no one here, just me and you. What does that mean, Wes? Hello? Alright, Wes, I did my stuff. Now we can go to the